Hi guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I want to do a quick video on how I'm going to redo this floral arrangement. Now these are things that I had in my home already, so what I'm doing is just taking some flowers from my previous projects and then including them in this one. So these flowers here, these are from Hobby Lobbies, and I already used this for a previous project, so the stems is already gone, so these have to be glued here with the hot glue. But normally for this project, of course, you will have this stem on it and you'll just cut it with your clippers here. And I'm using these clippers here. I'm using the clippers to cut not only your stems, but also if you want to cut this stem up this as well, because this is a pretty thick stem, as you can see. So I'm going to use this to cut this as well. Okay, the first thing you want to do is just make sure your stem that you leave. I got this from Hobby Lobby and I had this from our previous project, but these are like maybe $10 at Hobby Lobby, so make sure you have a coupon. And what you want to do is make sure your stem can wrap around the whole diameter of your glass vase that you'll be using. Now if your vase is larger than this one, just get 2 of these and then you just wrap it around. Now I'm not going to touch anything here because it's just reaches, but I'm going to cut off this part right here. So I'm using my wire cutters and I'm going to cut this part off. Once I have this stem off, I'm going to use this again. Let's make sure this is nice and clean. Now measure the distance that you will be using from this end to this end. You see this part here? Basically, I'm only going to cut right here because it's only half of it because this is a small vase. So I'm going to cut this part. The option is you can just use a pair of scissors for this project if it doesn't cut. And that's going to go around just like this. And again, if you find it a little short here, just cut another piece here to complete it so they can meet around. And this other side, and then this will go on the opposite side. Just like this. The next thing to make sure your glass is clean is to use your styrofoam. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and again, these is from previous projects. Place it down because you're going to have to wrap this around. Remember, this is going on the inside. Okay. We'll trim this down just a little more. This cut, you're ready for your flowers. You want to place your flowers, your leaves in first. And the curved part is going up the top. Place your styrofoam in. Make sure you got enough space. Now this here leaves residue, so if you can avoid getting this one from the Dollar Tree, I would suggest that, because I'm constantly having residue and I have to wipe off the glass. Okay, so this next one, a little dab of glue. Make sure this is nice and even. It doesn't have a pucker. Okay, so this is how it looks so far, and this is how it looks on the outside. The only thing to do now is to do your flowers. I'm going to tilt my flowers instead of straight. I'm going to tilt myself a little on the outside edge. Again, I don't have the stem, so I have to glue. Just hold it. Press the petals, and I'm just going to put it right in the center. Hold it down in place. And there you go. Make sure your petals look good. Thanks for watching this video on how I made this floral arrangement using the products I have already at home. If you want to see any other DIYs or projects, just put a thumbs up to this video and like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. It's your Mooregirl.